Welcome to my very first YouTube video. And within this video, I will be installing this wig. Now, this video was a roller coaster because at first it never did happen. Eventually, I'll be able to install these wigs like a magician, like Wallace. Anyways, I hope you stick around and watch the video. Okay, so I'm actually having some mini braids right now, but I'm gonna cornrow them and put it under this wig because I cannot be bothered to loosen it out. I'm applying some got2b gel around the perimeter of my hair to slick it back and protect it from getting ripped during the installation process. Then I'm gonna tie it on with a scarf to mold it in place. Afterwards, I'm gonna clean up the excess product off my forehead because that's where I'll be placing the Eden adhesive. I will not be using glue. And I'm gonna give this 3 coats and let it dry. Now my mistake, a lot of mistakes were made, but what I did, I made it dry too much, so the wig was not sticking properly. And I had to go back in and redo it so the install could last. And I also made the edges of the lace too pointy, so it was way too obvious. I had to take it off, go back in and cut it a bit better. Right here, you see I'm trying to lay it down on the product and it's just not sticking. I still went ahead and applied the melting band because I wanted it to melt. But one thing that can't be denied is this hair color looks so good. It's a chocolate brown and the hair was originally a deep wave. It looks really good on me. I'm not a fan of back hair, but right here I'm clearing up the excess adhesive from the lace, getting rid of that cast and applying my foundation so that the lace matches my skin. I can't wait to do more videos where I improve and I'm able to give a proper tutorial, because this is not a tutorial. I don't want no one mistaking this for a tutorial, because it is not. I wanted to reinstall this here and make content from it, and I was not structuring this in the form of a tutorial because I was, testing it out on myself before I give advice. And this is more of a learning process for me. Learn from my mistakes. If anything, it's more of a tutorial to not do what I did. But if you're still here, thank you so much for sticking around and continue watching. I'm gonna stop talking now. Alright, hold up. Look at the material. Like, look on the material. Jeez. So let me know if you like the video or what I should do next.